Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Umkhokha the curse and it's happening. Umenga just told uNobuntu to her face ukuthi weak. Ngishilo ngathi kulento le aba weak bazosalela emuva abangakholwa bazosalela emuva wena nje you are weak but ke I invested this money kuphi eDubai. I will show you the proof and the receipts. We all know ukuthi they'll be fabricated, but because uNobuntu is in love, she will believe it. Ekseni ke avuke uNobuntu anqengumenga ngoba iyanqengwa vele indoda shem. Hayi asathi yammarinate umenga ngamarinateki athi yammarinate umenga ngamarinateki umenga kube umuntu ongalayo oya ebank olanda ibank statement azobunisa uNobuntu ukuthi imali ise Dubai. Hayi uhambile shem unomphelo uhambile umenga bayangena abantu ungenile umlungu afuna imali yakhe angena usibahla afuna imali yakhe. Hey isiphithiphithi nje empilweni kaNobuntu at this point, but usamile ethembeni ukuthi hayi umenga might have protected me. Kahle ke yena hayi ngiyakutshela ufonela abantu ke after i-reassurance atshela abantu ukuthi hayi bona ningawari imali sizoyithola in. But while she's calling people to reassure people, uNobuntu ngale ukuJune July. Why? Because it seems like umenga has vanished. Guys, can we also follow ngoKhulekani and say congratulations Pastor Khulekani Mthembu for hitting 3 million views on YouTube, because wow, I'm struggling. This is my second channel and I'm struggling. But Pastor Khulekani did it, no doubt. And he's getting calls left, right and center asking for more interviews. Will this be his big breakthrough? I think so. Umamzobe ke ubajikisile bongema, watshela ungema where to get off. Watshela ungema ukuthi akamfuni. Hayi ukabisile ke asathi uyaphuma ekseni uya esikolweni. Where is ngema and the sun are outside. Excuse me. The part that killed me. Ingibulale finish, like I was lying on the floor laughing like crazy. Ukabisile bakathi, do you think ukuthi mina ngiyiproducer I blew it? Angene phakathi ke atshela uMamzobe ukuthi nasi story uMamzobe vele abone nering kube ngathi uMamzobe utempted ukuthatha imali. Hayi kanti ke angene uphakathwayo makangena uphakathwayo ufonele uMamzobe. uMamzobe amchazele yonke into, amchazele ukuthi ulethe nering. Uphakathwayo azabuza ukuthi did he come on at his own accord or on his own accord, or did he come because now the police are on his throat, or he's sick, or what's happening? Mamzobe ke amtshela ukuthi no, he's sick, he's not well, and then that's why he's here to bring everything ayithathile kaMthembu. Phakathwayo explain ukuthi hayi this is bigger than us. Mamzobe ke ahambe nophakathwayo because uphakathwayo is an honest man, akayidlali le game le. Uphakathwayo athathe uMamzobe, athathe isikhwama, athathe nongema, athathe lo muntu bekaze nongema kuhanjwe nabaya bayaphi baya kaMvelasi. Hayi vele bafike kaMvelasi, mabafika kaMvelasi bathi Mamzobe thula indaba. Hayi Mamzobe ke ayithula indaba ukuthi le mali engayitshontsha eVault nento zakhona zonke ungema wangitshontshela yona nayisibusa ishintshi yakhona. Ungema niyambona ukuthi uyabhalelwa vele akusahlangani, so sibuyise konke nering. Yangena ingoma yakhona ukuthi makholwa niyayibona imisebenzi kaMthembu. Why? Because ingenile iring itholakele izinto zikaMthembu zihlangene. Now this means ukuthi maybe things will fall into place, but we will see tomorrow. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.